Ever found yourself staring at a bill a little too close to the due date and thought, if only I could just shift things a bit? We've all been there. That moment when a little financial breathing room would make a world of difference. Maybe it's a surprise car repair, an unexpected medical bill, or just needing to bridge the gap until payday. And if you're using Beforepay, you know it's designed to help with exactly that. But then comes the question, how exactly do you repay that helpful advance? Let's face it, understanding payment processes can sometimes feel like navigating a maze. You're trying to do the right thing, avoid any extra fees, and get back to your financial flow. So, let's break down how to make a payment to Beforepay, step by simple step. First, the most common method, direct debit. Beforepay is designed to automatically deduct the repayment amount from your linked bank account on your chosen repayment date. This is the simplest, most hands-off approach. When you initially set up your Beforepay account and request an advance, you will provide your bank details and select a repayment date that aligns with your pay cycle. This ensures the money is taken out when you're most likely to have it available. Now, it's crucial to make sure you have sufficient funds in your account on that repayment date. A failed direct debit can lead to late fees, which nobody wants. So, double-check your balance a day or two before, just to be safe. But what if your circumstances change? Maybe you get a bonus and want to repay early, or perhaps you need to adjust your repayment date. Beforepay offers flexibility. You can manually make a payment through the app before your scheduled date. This gives you control, allowing you to pay off your advance sooner and reduce the outstanding balance. To make a manual payment, open the Beforepay app and navigate to the Repayments section. You'll see your current balance and the upcoming repayment details. Look for the option to make a payment or similar. From there, you can choose to repay the full amount or a partial amount. Follow the prompts to confirm your payment, and you are done. This method is great for those who prefer to be proactive and manage their finances closely. Another important point, Beforepay uses secure payment gateways to protect your financial information. This means your bank details are encrypted and handled with the utmost security, giving you peace of mind. And what about those repayment dates? Beforepay understands that life doesn't always go according to plan. If you need to change your repayment date, you can typically do so within the app, provided you meet certain criteria. However, it's always best to check the app's help section or contact customer support for the most up-to-date information on date changes. In essence, repaying Beforepay is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly. Whether you prefer the automatic direct debit or the flexibility of manual payments, the app provides the tools you need to manage your repayments effectively. Just remember to keep an eye on your account balance, understand your repayment dates, and utilize the app's features to stay in control. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.